Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above with your profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notification settings, click on it here. So when you just click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification categories. Then you come to this list here. Then you come here to new topic by someone here I followed. So just click on it to show for you. So here new topic by someone I followed only once a day. So then we will go back. When you come here to for it, you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean new topic by someone I follow disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.